everyone, my name is Luke Elijah and this is my mother Marilyn. We are both certified chefs, and in this video we'll be teaching you guys how to make handmade Oriental vegan and vegetarian dumplings that make a tasty, appetizing side dish to all your meals. They're also a lot of fun to make together with your friends, your family, and especially the kids. My mom will start to teach you how to make the handmade dumpling skins from scratch.
Nice to meet you all. A bowl of flour, you add salt water, mix them well. After that you knead it until it becomes a mold. Cover it with a wet cloth an hour. After that you make into a long bar of dough. Cut it into equal sizes. Roll them like a ball. Then you flatten with a roller as thin as possible to make into a round, very thin skin, and that's where it looks like that.
Right? If you are too lazy to make your own, you can just simply go down to a supermarket, especially Oriental ones, and they'll have many varieties of dumpling and wonton skin for sale. The thinner the better. And these dumplings can then be, after that they can be pan fried, they can be deep fried or steamed, and they make a really delicious addition to any meal that you have, right? And these dumplings are made from a variety of vegetables. We have carrots, chives or spring onion, English parsley or cilantro, alright, spinach or kale, cabbage, mushrooms, onions, garlic, a dash of pepper, black pepper or white pepper, pink Himalayan salt, alright, sesame seed, which I love sesame seeds. And to top out the seasoning, we have vegetarian oyster sauce, right? And this vegetarian oyster sauce brings out the flavor and makes the entire dumpling filling more coagulated into a paste. Okay, so there are many ways to fold these dumplings. I'm just going to show you a few methods. Alright, what I'll do is I'll start by dusting my hands with some flour. Okay, I'll place this in the center of my hands and I'll use a little bit of water, just a little bit, brush it on, and I'll fold this dumpling into half. And now you have this nice crescent shape, and from there I'll put a little bit at the ends, at the tip, and I'll fold it into half, and you have this Chinese ingot shape. Alright, it's very cute, it's very round. Alright, this is the first shape. Okay, try to put your filling right in the center, and to ensure that the filling is a little bit on the dry side, you can squeeze out the excess juice or water. You dehydrate it with a filtering salt, like a filtering sock, right? And then through the stir frying process, it dries up as well, okay? And then if you find that it's still too moist, you can add a bit of flour into the mix, alright? So I'll seal up the sides. And the ends, I flatten it out. Alright. And this will make a rectangle shaped dumpling. Like this. Okay? Okay, I'm just going to show you the pleating techniques, which are more classic to dumplings. Right, you can still, it's very fragrant, these dumplings, you can still smell it. And these dumplings, you can freeze them in the fridge. And before you cook them, you defrost them for a while, and then before you fry them up. So again, I fold them to half, and then I pleat the center into two, and then I pleat the side again. Alright, so you get the classic dumpling, Chinese dumpling look like this. Alright? So do not worry about getting it too uniform. It's not possible to make every dumpling the same size or shape, but just do your best. It's a lot of fun. Okay, I'm going to repeat that one more time. So I'm just fitting it shut. Okay. Make sure you wash your hands, of course, before you touch the food and then make the dumplings. Alright. Just gonna repeat it one more time. I'm gonna pass one to my mom. So thank you for watching this video. Do stay tuned for other future videos. So it's a lot of fun. My mom and I are just gonna make our dumplings. I'm going to make a triangle shaped one. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you found it educational and of value. Please stay tuned for our future videos to come.
They are so nice to eat. Vegetarian, very healthy.